I have not been getting any notification on my Messenger and WhatsApp that you see right here. Usually the notification, I mean that you get these red dots like a number or a small red dot that is to come up. So at least I knew some messages come in. But now I have to always like scroll down like this and then look if a message has come in or open the app. I have no clue how that change happened, but I'm realizing a lot of people around are having that issue right now. Maybe a new update has changed that. So I found a fix for it. So you have to go to settings, go down to the notification setting, go to advanced setting, and here the app icon badge right here, the last option, just select it. And and when you select it, it show number, like there's nothing there, and you select it, it'll show number. So this is what was supposed to be changed. If you change that, you'll start getting your notification icon back in the message section here. Hope it helps. Let me know if it helped.